Hello guys, this is Umesh Patil from AltexPot, and today we are going to review the iOS 7 features which I just recently announced by Apple. So I have installed it on my iPhone 4S. I mean updated my iPhone 4S from 6 to 7, and which runs quite well. So let's start with the features. So let's start with the lock screen. So as you see here, they have built a completely different lock screen compared to the previous one. They have this new slide here, slide to unlock. Then there are some features like swipe down to access your notifications, then swipe up to access your music player, your shortcuts. Swipe from here to access camera, swipe here, and then you have to enter lock password. So it has unlocked. So this is the new view. They have uh, changed it completely. I don't know this looks good or the previous one, but one thing is good in this. If you do your iPhone like this, you'll notice some kind of transition is happening in the background. The wallpaper behind it slightly looks like changing or something like that, but the effect is quite good. So let's start with the call functionality, the call phone feature. So they have added these many tabs here. So now you can access voicemail from here. These are your favorite contacts, then recent contacts, dial pad. So one thing I haven't liked is when you type in some number, uh, it has to popped up based on what you have typed, but it is not happening here. So they, if they have added it, it could have been better. So this was the phone. Then messaging app. So you see here, this is how it looks. Okay, it shows now 100 message. Then calendar is much improved. You can see here it slides down to open today's agenda and today's what today content, the date contains. Then this is the calendar. It gives you the year view. So this is cool feature. You can access your inbox from here. Today's agenda I don't have today. I think that's why it's not showing anything. Then photos. So this way the album is been displayed. You can open it, you can edit it. So these, there are some features they have provided to edit your photo. Then you can arrange it by collections, then by years. And one thing is nice over this is you can see which picture you're looking at like this. So this is an awesome feature again. Good. Then camera. So this is completely different camera. It wants to access my location. So it has swipe and access different modes. Swipe, photo, square photo, pano. It also gives you some effects here, live effects. Then front back camera, nice. You can make HDR on, off, flash on, flash off. If your HDR is on and you want to do, oh, it's working properly now. Actually it was overlapping. Okay, so that was the camera. This is, they are using Yahoo weather. As you see, this is showing Mumbai's weather, and there are 3 different cities here. I actually haven't switched on my Wi-Fi here, so let me switch it on. So Wi-Fi on. So let's talk about that shortcut thing. As you see, you can directly access your flight, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, brightness, and auto rotation on off. Then this brightness. This is not brightness, then this is do not disturb. Okay, then your music player, it isn't playing. Yeah, it is playing. So awesome. You can control your volume, you can seek the song. Yeah, then the brightness, then torch on off. Then here it will take you to the clock, then calculator and camera again. That was the shortcut menu. This is notification bar. It will show you all what you have missed, all notifications and today's notifications. Plus it will show you in today's section, it will show you stocks and any application if using this notification bar. Then clock, again clock is also changed. So world clock, alarm, stopwatch and timer. So you have to add cities over here to see your city time. Then maps, we shouldn't look into it. Video, one thing is nice about this, I don't know whether I can play 1080p videos in iPhone 4s, but I think I can now after I've put one 1080p video in it and it is playing superbly. As you see, this is nice, cool stuff again. Okay, that was video player. Then your notes, the UI has changed. Add new notes. This is keyboard, and keyboard has also been changed. It is now easier to type in. The spacing between the words, the letters has been increased. Then voice, numbers, icons or characters, special characters, something I don't know. Then reminders, good. Stocks, okay. Game center, passbook. Passbook is also a good application if you use it. App store, settings, email, I haven't set up email yet. Then Safari is good though, it renders quite beautifully, and if you'll open multiple tabs in it, let's open another tab, let's open a text bot. So nicely done. Browser is good, and tabs you can see here as awesomely displayed. Okay, then the best part is music. Music looks the same, just the UI has been changed, and if you'll do it like this, it will show you. I think the previous one was good. This shows all these songs. If you are in the songs tab, albums and more. Then extras, we have contacts. Adding and editing contact is good. If you edit it, you can add image directly, easily, and add information in it also quite easily. You can call, message. It little bit looks like an Android phone. If you use Android device, you'll notice things are here a little bit looks like Android. Calculator, compass. So it always asks me to calibrate my device. So this is the compass, and there is the gyroscopic something, I don't know. Okay, that was it. Then there is voice recorder here. FaceTime camera requires Apple ID and newsstand. So this is the iOS 7. Let's look into the settings. So these all settings you have here. Let me show you music settings so that you can get what new things that we will get. So equalizer settings, I think they have added something or not, I haven't used it. So here it is check to shuffle, sound check, equalizer, volume limit, lyrics and podcast info, group by album, artists, etc. etc. So one thing is nice though for the lock screen, the thing they have added. Let's play something. Let's lock it. So this is how it shows on the lock screen. This is awesome. So this is all about the iOS 7. Hope you have liked it. If you have problem upgrading your iPhone, so please put your comments. I'll help you upgrade your phone. Uh, Thank you for watching. If you really like it, please hit like and do post comments. Thank you for watching. Thanks.